The OBDPEAK H8 UHD 2160p 4K DashCam Rearview Mirror sets a new standard for clarity, convenience, and safety on the road. With its unparalleled resolution, seamless connectivity, and advanced features, the OBDPEAK H8 ensures that you can drive with confidence, knowing that every moment on the road is captured with stunning detail and clarity. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to a new era of driving technology with the OBDPEAK H8. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, the OBDPEAK H8 allows for seamless connectivity to your mobile phone. With the accompanying mobile app, you can preview real-time images, access historical records, and quickly download pictures with ease. Gone are the days of cumbersome memory card removals and computer connections. Now, all operations can be conveniently completed on your mobile phone, putting control and convenience at your fingertips. At the forefront of the OBDPEAK H8 is its front camera, boasting an astounding 4K resolution of 38/42,160p. With 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses and an f1.8 aperture coupled with the advanced IMX415 sensor, the front camera delivers breathtakingly vivid images of the road ahead. Whether it's bright daylight or dimly lit streets, the OBDPEAK H8 captures every detail with unparalleled clarity, ensuring that you never miss a moment, regardless of the lighting conditions. The OBDPEAK H8 introduces an epoch making progress with its rear camera reaching the impressive 2K resolution of 25/61,440p at 30 frames per second (FPS).